Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about three essential money skills that have the potential to transform your financial situation and help you build wealth. These skills are applicable to anyone regardless of their current financial status. So let's dive in. Budgeting and financial planning. The first money skill that can pave the way to riches is budgeting and financial planning. Many people overlook the importance of having a solid budget in place. Budgeting allows you to track your income and expenses, giving you a clear picture of where your money is going. When you create a budget, you gain control over your finances, and it helps you identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses and redirect those expenses toward savings and investments. By living within your means and saving consistently, you set the foundation for building wealth. So start by listing all your income sources and then track your expenses for a month. Analyze your spending habits and identify areas where you can reduce or eliminate unnecessary expenses. Remember, every dollar that you save is a step closer to financial freedom. Investing and asset allocation. The second money skill that can lead you to riches is investing and understanding asset allocation. While saving money is crucial, investing is what allows your money to grow and work for you. Investing wisely can significantly accelerate your path to wealth. It's essential to educate yourself about different investment options such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Diversifying your portfolio across various assets helps minimize risks and maximize returns. Start by setting clear financial goals and determine your risk tolerance. This will help you choose the right investment vehicles that align with your objectives. Remember to regularly review and rebalance your portfolio to ensure that it remains in line with your long-term goals. Continuous learning and financial education. Lastly, one of the most crucial money skills that can make you rich is continuous learning and financial education. The world of personal finance is constantly evolving, and it's important to stay updated. By investing in your financial education, you equip yourself with the knowledge to make informed decisions. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend seminars or webinars, and surround yourself with like minded individuals who are on the same journey as you. Remember, becoming wealthy isn't just about making money, it's about managing and growing it wisely. Continuous learning helps you adapt to changing economic conditions, understand investment strategies, and discover new opportunities. To sum it up, these three money skills, budgeting and financial planning, investing and asset allocation, and continuous learning and financial education, are crucial for anyone looking to build wealth and achieve financial independence. By mastering these skills and implementing them consistently, you can take control of your financial future and create lasting wealth. Remember, it's never too late to start, so take that first step today and begin your journey towards financial freedom. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. And as always, stay financially empowered.